Hey YouTube, it's Krystal. Welcome back to my channel, Bimmy Beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a Christmas look using magnetic eyelashes. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be doing my final look using magnetic eyelashes for the Christmas season. If you haven't seen any of my other previous videos, I have a link to them down below in the description box, so you can go check them out. And let's begin. So for Christmas, I did a couple of different looks, and this particular one, I'm going to be doing red eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my magnetic eyelashes, Bimmy Beauty, sold exclusively on Amazon.com. So here's our packaging. Bimmy Beauty Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit. Our magnetic eyelashes are 100% waterproof, vegan, and cruelty-free. And in the kit, you get 5 different sets of magnetic eyelashes, 2 magnetic eyeliners, and 1 lash applicator. For this Christmas look, I'm going to be using Jupiter. So it's these eyelashes right here. And as you can see, it alternates between like dense to loose, dense to loose. And we like to call this type of eyelash more like a doll eyelash. It's one of the baddies of the set. It's very dramatic, it's very glamorous, and you're gonna see how it looks on me. It really gives you a nice look. For the eyeshadows, thinking of Christmas, we're going to do more of a red tone. And the colors I'm going to be using are from the Lord & Taylor palette. Specifically, I'm going to be using the colors closer to the bottom down here. They don't have a name, but I want to show you which colors I'll be playing with. I'm going to put this on my lids, this on my lids, this on my brow bone, and this in the crease. All right, so let's begin. I don't usually put red eyeshadow on my eyes, but for the holiday season, I feel like it's a very festive color. It goes with everything else. So this is more of a reddy type of pink, so it goes well. Okay, so now we are going to go into the brow bone with a little bit of a lighter color. So I'm going to be using, this is what we just used. I'm going to be using this one here. Now for the crease, I'm going to be going in with a darker color. So from the palette, I'm going to be using this color here. All right, so now it's time to blend. I'm going to close this down. For blending, I always like to use a big fluffy brush. And time for the magnetic eyelashes. So like I said, from the magnetic eyelash kit, and I'm going to leave a link to the Amazon listing down below in the description. From the eyelash kit, we're going to be going in with Jupiter. I've done videos with all other 4 of the eyelashes, so just check my playlist to see the rest of them. Before I apply my magnetic eyelashes, I always go in with some mascara. I use the Clinique High Impact Mascara in number 1 black, and I apply a thin coat. Now I'm going to use my magnetic eyeliner from the Bimmy Beauty kit. I just take it, shake it 10 times. I've had this eyeliner for about 2 months now, and I make videos with it regularly, so I gotta shake it to make sure all the ingredients are mixed well and properly. I open it up. I want to do a nice thin line, so I always clean off the end of the brush. And I'm going to get a little closer. All right. Very happy with that. Close it back. Grab my eyelash applicator, which also comes in the kit. This applicator is so useful when it comes to applying the lashes because you don't have to get your fingers messy. I check the orientation of the lash, so I make sure that the part with the shorter hairs, which is this side, is closer to my nose. The part with the longer hairs, this side, is closer to my ears. So this goes on this side. So I can't put it there, else it'll look weird. So let me grab the other one. And just look how long and fluffy that is. Like, oh my God. And they're so lightweight. Like just holding them, I'm like, oh my gosh, this feels like a dove. And it's on. Look how easy that is. Like, I've struggled for years putting on my eyelashes, falsies, and now I do it. I could do it in my sleep now. Granted, I use it all the time and I make these videos for you guys, but even if like someone just gifted it to me and I practice like 1 or 2 times, like you get it. Once you get it the first 2, 3 times, like you could do it in your sleep. It's so amazing, and it's so helpful to have like technology like this so that you save time and you can put your energy and focus into other things. Oh no, okay, I want you guys to see this, but okay, and I'm happy with that line. What my little technique is I do draw a thin black line, and then I take the wand, like I'll draw the thin black line like that. Then I'll take the wand and I'll turn it to the side that still has more product on it and just start halfway mark and go down the rest of the eye. Because you got to make sure that you have enough magnetic liner from end to end in order for your magnetic eyelash to stick. I grab my lash, I adhere it to the lash applicator. Sorry, I want you to see this. I'm going to do it here in the camera. And that's on. All right. So as you can see, they're both on. They both look lovely, but I always go in and curl them so that they're not like sticking out at you like this. They're going like this instead. So I take my eyelash curler. Do this one first. Take my other eyelash curler. Dun, dun, dun. Yay! All right, so we're good to go. Lastly, I'm going to put on a little bit of red lips. Oh, the red lips that I'm using are from the girl, the bomb, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is in American Doll. It's the liquid red lipstick. And it dries matte, and I love it. Once that dries, it will dry matte. It's a little bit wet now. It takes about 2 minutes to dry. And that completes the look. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you think about magnetic eyelashes. If you haven't tried them, I do encourage you to click that link down in the description box. Order a pair from Amazon. They're only $19.99 right now. And try a pair on for yourself. There's so much versatility in the kit because there's so many different styles and sets, and on top of that you could stack them, so you could do like 2 naturals or a natural and a dramatic. This is one of the more dramatic ones, but yeah, this is the look for holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your family and friends.